Tired of getting stuck on linear equations with fractions and decimals? This video breaks down the process step by step so you can solve them with confidence. Let's start with fractions. Here's the equation. 1/2 x plus 3/4 equals 5/2. It looks messy, right? That's because the denominators are different. To make it easier, we need to use a common denominator. And that means finding the least common multiple of the denominators, in this case, 2 and 4. So what is a least common multiple? The least common multiple, or LCM, of two or more numbers is the smallest number, other than 0. That is a multiple of both. To find it, we list out the multiples of each number. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12. Now look for the smallest number they both share, that's 4. So we'll multiply every term in the equation by 4. This will eliminate the fractions and make the equation easier to solve. So multiply every term by 4. Now we have 4 times 1 over 2 of x plus 4 times 3 over 4 equal to 4 times 5 over 2. Now we have 4 times 1/2 x is 2x, 4 times 3/4 is 3, and 4 times 5/2 is 10. So the new equation is 2x plus 3 equals 10. Next step, subtract 3 from both sides. That gives us 2x equals 7. Finally, divide by 2. The solution is x equals 7/2. Now let's deal with decimals. Remember, decimals are just fractions in disguise. Try this equation, 0.2x plus 1.5 equals 3.1. To clear decimals, multiply every term by a power of 10. Ten times 0.2x plus 10 times 1.5 equals 10 times 3.1. Ten times 0.2x is 2x, plus 10 times 1.5 is 15, and 10 times 3.1 is 31. That gives us 2x plus 15 equals 31. Now solve it. Subtract 15 from both sides. 2x equals 16. Divide by 2, and we get x equals 8. Nice and clean, no decimals left behind. No matter what type of equation you're solving, fractions or decimals, the steps stay the same. Step 1, clear out any fractions or decimals. Step 2, combine like terms. Step 3, isolate the variable. Step 4, solve and check your work. Let's try this one. 2/3 x minus 1 equals 2.5. We'll clear the fraction by multiplying every term by 3, because the least common multiple of 3 and 1 is 3. Now we have 3 times 2/3 of x minus 3 times 1 equals 3 times 2.5. Three times 2/3 of x is 2x, 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 times 2.5 is 7.5. Now the equation becomes 2x minus 3 equals 7.5. Add 3 to both sides. We get 2x equals 10.5. Now divide both sides by 2. X equals 5.25. Here's a real-world problem. You bought 3 t-shirts and paid a total of $40.75. That price includes $2.25 in tax. How much did each shirt cost before tax? Let's define X as the cost of one shirt. Since you bought 3 shirts, the total before tax is 3x. Add the tax of $2.25. So the equation is 3x plus 2.25 equals 40.75. Step 1. Subtract 2.25 from both sides. 3x equals 38.50. Step 2. Divide both sides by 3. X equals 12.83 repeating. So each shirt costs about $12.83 before tax. If this helped, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step math lessons just like this one.